Spartan observes modern man. Weak posture, soft body, no fire in eyes. Spartan checks modern man's testosterone. Disgraceful. Modern man asks, how do I fix this? Should I buy supplement? No, you don't buy strength. You forge it. In Sparta, we had no pills. Yet every warrior had testosterone of 10 men. Today, Spartan teaches you how. First, honor the night. Spartan sleeps 7 to 9 hours. Complete darkness. Same time every night. Testosterone builds during sleep, not during day. Modern man scrolls until midnight. Glowing screen tricks brain. Melatonin blocked. Cortisol rises. Testosterone falls. When Spartan wakes, Spartan sees sun immediately. Tells body, day has begun. Fix sleep first. Everything else fails without it. Second, kill belly fat. Fat is not just stored energy. Fat is active enemy. Fat cells produce enzyme called aromatase. Aromatase steals testosterone and converts it to estrogen, woman hormone. More fat equals more aromatase. More aromatase equals more estrogen. You're trapped in cycle of weakness. Spartan targets 12 to 15% body fat. If you are above 20%, eat 300 to 500 less calories per day. No sugar, no seed oils. Eat like warrior, meat, eggs, olive oil. Third, lift heavy. When muscles work hard, body signals danger. Brain activates. Pituitary releases luteinizing hormone. This tells testicles, make testosterone now. But modern man lifts lightweight. No intensity, no signal, no testosterone. Spartan does squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, overhead press. Spartan lifts 70 to 85% of maximum, 3 times per week. This is not bodybuilding. This is warrior training. Fourth, control stress. Cortisol helps Spartan in battle, but it must spike and fall. Modern man, cortisol never drops. Worried about job, about money, about what strangers said online. Chronic high cortisol destroys testosterone, creates belly fat, breaks metabolism. Spartan controls what he can control. Spartan ignores what he cannot. Stop watching news. Stop arguing online. Walk in nature. Train hard so mind stays calm. You think you are weak because of genetics, because of age. Wrong. You are weak because you choose comfort every day. Spartans were not born strong. We were forged strong through discipline. Boost testosterone the Spartan way. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and comment down below, and also subscribe the channel. Spartan will become happy that way and give you more videos like this. Goodbye.